What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since we last posted a video. We've just been really busy with stuff, and there's a lot of stuff that's been going on. So today we're just gonna give you guys a quick update on what's been going on, like a little bit of stuff that we've been doing over behind the scenes, you know. So like I said, the last video we posted was like a few months ago, but yeah, we've been busy pretty much, you know, with work.
A lot of little shit been happening.
But there's a lot of stuff been going on behind closed doors, you know what I mean? So you guys see behind me, that's the ghost. You guys know we took the setup out of the red car, we slapped it in that car. So that's been our pretty much one of the only big turbo cars we got running right now. I mean, Smokey's over there, it runs, it drives, but you know, there's a whole story going on with that car right now. So we're gonna keep you guys updated in the next video. We're gonna go over into more details what's going on with Smoke and Red Fury. So we walk over here, we could show both around a little bit, you know what I mean? And also I want to mention, first things first, huge shout out to all the new subscribers. We just hit that 4,000 subscriber mark, so huge shout out to you guys. We appreciate all the support, even though we haven't been posting and stuff like that, but you guys have been supporting the channel. You know, it's slowly growing. We appreciate you guys. Keep supporting the channel. We got a lot of stuff in the works, you know. We just haven't had time to post it. For all those who are new to the channel, this is our big turbo convertible. This is pretty much the only one in the world so far that we know of that, you know what I mean, this is the only big turbo convertible. This is the old setup from Red Fury, so this thing makes some jam. We still have the car on wastegate. We're not interested in pushing the car really freaking far, you know what I mean? We know what the motor is capable of. We know what the car could do if we crank up the boost, you know what I mean? So we still run the car on wastegate till this day. It's been a couple months since the car been up and running. So yeah, this is the only big turbo car we got running so far right now, you know what I mean? A lot of you, I'm pretty sure it's like 90% of you guys know we've been rebuilding the kit for Red Fury. So we've been working on the manifolds and stuff like that. We pretty much got the manifold done and all that. We're pretty much just, what would you say now? We gotta do the cold side of stuff, but the car is at my dad's house, so we're gonna go over stuff when we get to that house. We're gonna show you the car, show you what we have done so far, and then we're gonna go over that with you guys. So I know you guys probably been wondering, yo, where them boys been at, you know what I mean? So we're here, we're still here. We're just busy doing a lot of stuff behind closed doors. We just haven't had time to really film anything. So I'm gonna get some clips for you guys soon, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna fire this thing up. We're gonna take it out today. You guys know, man, these cars never like to start up on the first been rebuilding the manifold for this thing. We finished that up yesterday. We actually finished up the wastegate pipe tubes and stuff. So all we gotta do right now is do the dump tubes, and then we're gonna have to make a new downpipe for this car because we're running a different turbo, obviously. So after that, we're gonna pretty much do the cold side of stuff. But as you see, we got the twin wastegate set up. You know, so we've been doing a lot of stuff on the low. You know what I mean? And we got the manifold pretty much done, ready to go. So, like I said, man, we're gonna keep you guys up to date. We're gonna talk about more stuff that we've been doing and like little setbacks we've been having and stuff. So in the next video coming up, we'll explain more about what's been going on, really. You know?